quickly relieve soil compaction in summer and during dry periods with the powered Dyna Spiker units from GreenTek, part of our Dynamics range of greens maintenance equipment. Unlike Sarrel rollers, which can struggle to penetrate in dry conditions, Dyna Spikers use a powered vibratory action to drive their star spiking blades through even the hardest surfaces, deep into the root zone, up to a depth of 35mm, delivering a consistent penetration across your green and allowing air, water, wetting agents and fertilizer to revitalise your roots and keep your turf healthy. You can mount the units on your triplex in minutes, and with a working width of 1.5 metres, you can get superior aeration across all your greens and tees in only a few hours. And the best part? Dyna Spikers can be used all season long with minimal disruption to play. Maximise the effectiveness of your watering and promote healthy turf growth with Dyna Spikers from GreenTek.